8119F Tremaine, Padlock renovation. I'm a large trash shop, furniture, sofa, beds, entertainment stands, household goods. Got multiple nail holes, and black marks and scuffs on the walls. Trimming need to be painted as well. It's not our color. It's an off-white or a cream. Carpets have a few small stains. I believe it'll come up. It needs to be cleaned. Markings on the walls. There's no carbon detector. One is being installed. See no current water leaks. It appears to be water damage. And the wood needs to be replaced. Toilet seats loose, repair. Possible mildew stains in the bathtub. Needs to be repaired and recalled. The knob to the shower is broken. It's laying here on the sink. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Exhaust fan works. Minor surface scratches on the wooden floors. It may be alright. Got a water leak up under the kitchen sink. Needs to be repaired. Washer and dryer. All the appliances are gonna need to be cleaned. Replace drip pans. This exhaust fan is not working on the stove. It needs to be repaired. The bulb's blown out, needs to be replaced. And that's about it.